Hi everyone! In this video, I'll show you what to do when your ability to send FBA shipments gets restricted due to issues with past shipments. Specifically, we'll be looking at how to resolve the shipping box overweight error, but the same process can be applied to other inbound performance problems as well. When you receive an email like the one shown here with the shipping box overweight warning, the first thing you should do is check the inbound performance page. To get there, go to Menu, Reports, Fulfillment Reports, then click on Inventory, Inbound Performance. Once you're on the page, adjust the date range if needed and click Generate Report. Scroll down to view the list of past issues with your inbound shipments. Make sure to scroll horizontally to see the full status of each entry. Acknowledged means you've already accepted responsibility and resolved the issue. If you see Suspended and a Resolve Now button, it means there's still a problem to fix. Here, I've got an issue marked as shipping box overweight, meaning one of my boxes exceeded Amazon's 50-pound weight limit. I click Resolve Now, which takes me to the details page for the shipment. Under the Problems section, I can see the issue and click Resolve. Amazon gives me two options: acknowledge the issue, dispute the issue. For box overweight cases, Amazon often provides photos. Click on the images to review them and confirm whether the box in question actually belongs to you. You don't always have to acknowledge the issue. You can dispute it, especially if you have evidence. Let's say you review the photos and clearly see that the box doesn't belong to you. In that case, click Dispute. Amazon will give you a space to write an explanation and upload supporting documents. Sometimes the photos include boxes that aren't yours, or show labels that belong to another seller. In those cases, describe the issue clearly and submit your dispute. We've seen successful dispute outcomes, so don't feel like you have to acknowledge everything by default. In our case, after reviewing the details, we've determined the error was our responsibility. So we'll click Acknowledge Defect. Make sure to read the acknowledgement carefully, then confirm by clicking the button again. Whether you acknowledge or dispute the issue, Amazon typically reinstates your ability to send FBA shipments right away. So don't rush to acknowledge a problem just because you're afraid of losing time. Disputing doesn't usually delay reinstatement. That said, if you repeat the same mistakes multiple times, you may exceed Amazon's internal thresholds. In such cases, Amazon might ask you to respond to a case or submit a plan of action to have your shipment privileges restored. So while this video covers the basic resolution process, some cases may require more effort. Also, note that shipping box overweight is considered one of the most serious inbound issues, and Amazon is particularly strict about it. That's it for this video. Hope you found it helpful. See you in the next one.